I'm going to be your instructor today. This is your RSO. What does RSO stand for? Range Safety Officer. Okay? Did you know it?
Yeah.
You started to say it. You started to mouth it also. Range Safety Officer. So he's going to give us a briefing.
Yes, sir.
You ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have the floor. sir.
Hi, I'm Jeff. You met me at the door. So I just, once again, no guns and no bullets. Everything's okay. That is great. We have go through the 4 basic rules of gun safety. Number 1 is you treat every gun as if it's loaded. Until you work the action, until you check it out for yourself, you assume it's loaded and it's going to go bang if you pull the trigger. Okay? Number 2, keep your gun pointed in a safe direction. Our safe well, he's in the way, but our safe direction is going to be this brick wall. So we have the fireplace on this side, we have a whole brick wall on the other side, and that's the direction we're going to point our guns today. Okay? Number 3 is what we call indexing your finger. Now, indexing your finger is not a natural thing to do. Ever since you've picked up something, since you were a toddler until now, you've grabbed it with all your fingers. And that's the natural thing to do. And so people naturally try to stick that finger on the trigger. What we're going to try to train you to do is to hold that finger alongside the trigger or the trigger guard or the slide there. And so when you unholster your gun, that's the way your hand's going to be. And until you're on target, then we move our finger to the trigger. Number 4 is to be certain of your target and what's beyond. So that's why we don't point out in this direction towards the neighborhood, because the bullet goes skipping on down the street, and we don't want that. And because you are responsible for anything you shoot until that bullet comes to rest. So you want to make sure you have a backstop. Other things, if we have an emergency and we have to leave the room, our exits are the main door you came in, and we have another exit here. We have another exit down the hall, but don't fall in the pool. Okay. Restrooms are down the hall to the left, and I think that's about it.